That'll do nice. Yeah, that's better. Greetings everybody, it's Friday and ready for a great weekend ahead. Ham radio, so let's just taste this coffee. Yeah, great. Yeah, just want to say welcome and thanks to everybody who's been following all the ham radio stuff. And a big shout to the ham radio operator Facebook group. Going well, growing nicely. So yeah, I'm in the shop, I'm going to fire up the equipment, see what's going down. Not really had any chance to get on, so hopefully I'm going to be about this weekend, do a few live streams. So just thought I'd call in and say hello as I fire up my equipment. Life of a ham radio operator. So trust you're all doing well out there. Just power up the amp, get the plugs on, so many plugs and switches, and we'll see what the HF band's saying. So we've got a bit of Russia coming in, I think. So signal's a little bit weak at the minute there. Beaming to the west.
QSL on the 5 and 9. You're about a 5 and 8 to 5 and 9 with some QSD, QSL. QSL, my friend Terry, yes, I think the propagation is starting to open to the United States. And
sounding good to me, guys.
Thank you very much, my friend, for the short contact. Hope to catch you soon. I placed the contact at qrz.com. 73, bye-bye. QSL, nice to make the first contact with you. Hopefully we'll be able to do it again. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Lima Golf, November 3 Tango Kilo Echo 73.
So yeah, I worked Giorgio yesterday. Yeah, a few stateside signals coming in now.
Uniform radio EA7JUR. There, Roger, I do sound a bit quick. Speak a bit quick anyway. Yeah, 5657, 5657 now to me. As I say, we are running a bit, nearly 600 watts here, 200 maybe in sunny Spain.
So not bad to say it's on the side of the beam. So band's fairly quiet, my favourite band, 20 metres.
But anyway, very good day to you, sir. You are 5 and 9, 59, Roger. Roger, thanks. I heard you before.
That's more like it.
Are you using a new Yaesu? Yes, sir. I'm using the Yaesu 101, Roger. Oh, nice.
Yeah, hope you like the new cut, by the way, guys.
7610, but I'm a Yaesu person as well, so sounds good. And I miss going to the Dayton.
Coffee's tasting great, by the way.
We'll do it soon again when things get back to normal. Thanks for the contact from KB10.
So yeah, nice stateside signal. So I'm going to get onto the radio now properly. Just wanted to switch on, say hi, have a great weekend ahead, stay safe, healthy, but still enjoy yourselves where possible. Hopefully we're getting to the end of this soon. But in the meantime, keep watching the Ham Radio Operator Facebook channel and also my YouTube channel, and if everybody else, keep up the good work. Catch you later, guys. Stay safe from M0YKS. Have a great weekend.